Hello, Walmart. Do you have orange chicken?
Not orange chicken today.
No orange chicken?
Not orange chicken.
But you're Walmart. Okay. So then I went to Costco instead. Do you have orange chicken?
No.
What? You don't have orange chicken? What? So then I went to the Dollar General. Do you have orange chicken?
Yep, I'm gonna go back.
Yes! There was one bag left, but an old lady and I grabbed it at the same time.
This orange chicken serving ain't big enough for the both of us.
He started to tug over it. Give it to me!
Yeah, I got it. I got orange chicken. My bad. My head. My wig don't fell off. Listen, baby. You want to eat? Come on, come on. Come on. Come on.
Pulled out. Rolled the rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
That needs a lot of seasoning.
yeah. My back's still hurting too.